Most people end up not changing this part until it's too late and it's caused catastrophic engine failure. This is one cheap preventive maintenance everyone should be doing. No tools or mechanical skills are required. I'll go over the telltale signs of a failing radiator cap and when you should actually replace it. Now let's get this. Today's video is sponsored by the channel merch, which has just been launched, and whether it's just celebrating the DIY spirit or the iconic signature logo of the channel, or maybe you run a shop and you always have that one customer that keeps coming back with sludge, you could take the time to gift them this mug. I'm sure they'll get the message. Links to the merch will be somewhere down below. Thanks for all the support to the channel. Now to the radiator cap. Let's pop the hood on this 2013 RAV4 with over 100,000 miles. Moving over to the coolant reservoir. As you can see here, there are clear signs of coolant overflow. If you have consistent overflow from this outlet or your coolant level keeps reducing without any visible leaks, replacing the radiator cap is a good next step. This engine is a bit dirtier than I would like, and so let's fix that. I bring in this turbo fan that I got recently. Radiator caps should be replaced every 3 to 5 years as part of preventive maintenance, and that's because over time the seals wear out, the internal springs weaken, and this prevents the radiator cap from holding pressure, and it ends up releasing coolant incorrectly and can also have a negative effect on vacuum return to the radiator. If all this is ignored and it goes on long enough, you're going to be looking at the engine overheating. Now, a simple note to always go with the OEM replacement cap. For me, the savings you might get from an aftermarket product is not worth the gamble. You just want to ensure that the pressure stated on the cap is actually what it is. A quick comparison here and you can see that everything checks out. New one goes in. Links to this cap will be down below. I'll wash off the old crust so that I'll know when this leaks again. That's really all there is to changing the radiator cap. Hope that was helpful. Catch you on the next one. Peace.